While germicidal ultraviolet light is extremely effective at deactivating pathogens like viruses and bacteria, it's also harmful for our skin and eyes. Today we're talking about an upper air fixture, and this is a really unique way to use ultraviolet disinfection in a space that's occupied. Effectively, what these fixtures are able to do is create a zone on the upper portion of a room where, as the air circulates through that zone, it's disinfected, and anything that's carried in the air, droplets or pathogens that are in the air, will be deactivated by the germicidal ultraviolet light. Upper air fixtures work by using these louvers in the front combined with a reflector in the back of the fixture to direct all of the ultraviolet energy to the upper portion of a room. So these are typically mounted at least 7 feet high in a room, so above anyone's head. By directing the ultraviolet energy up to the top of the room, what we're doing is creating a zone where any air that passes through that ultraviolet energy is disinfected. So if there are droplets that contain viruses or bacteria, or anything that's circulated up into that upper portion of the room, it'll be deactivated by that dose of ultraviolet disinfection. Upper air fixtures are particularly helpful in reducing transmission rates. Now that means passing germs or pathogens from one person to another. And the reason that is because those are commonly carried through the air via droplets and then are disinfected in that upper portion of the room as the air is circulated. Other germicidal ultraviolet fixtures focus on disinfecting surfaces, which is a very important measure and another application for this technology. But in this case, what we're looking at is a way to keep the air in a space clean. Let's take a look at how this upper air fixture is put together. This particular one has screws on the side of the fixture to help for adjusting the louver position so that the ultraviolet energy is directed the right way. And if we take this louver and let that open up, you'll see inside we have the germicidal ultraviolet lamp and this reflector behind it. The reflector is again part of this fixture and the design of the fixture to direct as much of that ultraviolet energy out the front of the fixture and in a beam that will shine toward from the bottom of the fixture up toward the ceiling. And then the louvers are another way that the light is directed toward the top, and very importantly, that anyone below the fixture is shielded from the germicidal ultraviolet energy. When it comes to ultraviolet disinfection, upper air fixtures are one of the top recommendations for disinfecting a space. And one of the reasons is that these fixtures have been used for many years to decrease transmission rates of pathogens or diseases in given spaces. So these are very safe for us to be around, and they again are also designed to be effective at disinfecting any droplets that are circulating in the air.